Medicine actually was the concept from outside. I don't know. We will be able to find out some references because kings and queens were doing this because in Muslim leadership they were not allowed to with the queens of them. But the history of that is available. Radio News first 1924 and then started by Dr. J. Sanders in foreign. Definition of WHO given for the telemedicine. The delivery of healthcare services by distance is a critical factor by healthcare professionals using information and communication technologies.
Mm.
The exchange of valid information of diagnosis, treatment, prevention of disease and injury, and evaluation, and for the continuing education of healthcare providers. It means we have great scope in telemedicine. Telemedicine concept previously it was by government only, but now at this time we are having so many platforms of telemedicine and directly doctor is also consulting their patients. Patient is also consulting doctors. Various departments are there which are supporting to this telemedicinal concept. Various hospitals are there, ISRO, DIT, so many departments are there. I'm giving you just what's I view today because detail can be discussed in detail webinar. These are major areas of telemedicine technology adopted. Teleconsultation, telediagnosis, teletreatment, tele-education, tele-training, tele-monitoring, and tele-support. And I feel IOS is capable to hold all these area, command all these area of
Okay.
telemedicine. Strong doctor, हम लोग सभी
Yes,
एरियाज
yes.
में कमांड कर सकते हैं.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव हम लोग सब क्लियर जानते हैं कि दूर से आदमी उसको ले ले, ट्रीटमेंट ले ले, वेयर द मेडिसिनल फैसिलिटीज आर नॉट इन रीच, देयर वी कैन हेल्प द पीपल. Video conferencing between patient and specialist, video conferencing between different specialists and other healthcare professionals, monitoring patients vital,
हाँ मुझे
security in data connection,
हाँ
transfer
हाँ
of
ऐड
patients medical data. So various activities are there. Interactive consultation is there, specialist and primary care consultations are there, store and forward telemedicine is there, remote monitoring means variety of telemedicines is available when where we can use these facilities for our Ayush and to develop our private practice also. Our equipments required except these two digital microscope and ECG machine. Don't need it in Ayurveda, but otherwise all of the facility we have each our clinic, laptop, PC, mobile, LCD scanner, etc. And reception and decoration, we have. So I am not going into detail. Benefits: window to expertise care, and patient, reduce the stress in patient and relatives, save travel time, good for education and research purpose. Examples: tele specialization. I have kept first of all Ayush. We are talking about Ayush and we are giving our emphasis and focus on Ayush only. This is the telemedicine future. So come remote surgery and live monitoring. This is already come references. But now I am coming to my pen point. Medicine practice guidelines. Central Council of Indian Medicine. It has been issued on 7th April and available on the net. In India, so many acts are there which are governing us. IMCC Act, Practitioner of Indian Medicine 1982, Drug and Cosmetic Act, Clinical Establishment Act 2012, Information Technology IT Act 2000, Information Technology Rule 2011. So we are bonded by these rules, law of the lands. Telemedicine practice guidelines for 2020. It is for ASU RMP. We all are ASU RMP in CCIM's language. Ayurveda Siddha Unani registered medical practitioners. Facility specifically explicitly exclude no hardware or software is given, no infrastructure building is given, data management system involved. These are the some lacuna they have left, and no binding is there. Panchkarma procedure. This is on our guidance. This is on our justice. That what we can do. ASU means Ayurveda Siddha Unani. ASU RMP. The definition. Our definition is clear. All of us. ASU RMP is defined as a person who is enrolled in the state medicinal register or Indian medicine or central register of Indian medicine. IMCC Act के तहत. So we all are there. Requisites, professional and same professional norms, ethical norms, no additional any rule is there for telemedicine. What we are doing at our regular practice, the same is applicable to that telemedicinal practice. This is also there. Online courses will be made available, mandatory online course within 3 years. So this will be interim period for 3 years that everybody can go for telemedicine. This is the right opportunity for us that we should go for telemedicine. Courses will be launched later on, and up to that, we don't have to pass any course. Ethical and legal standards. Same professional and ethical norms. Standard is applicable to tradition, in-person consultation. So there is no additional rules or law will be governing us for this. Same law. Real face-to-face or telemedicine, same law. Interstate teleconsultation. Whether we are eligible for interstate teleconsultation, yes. We are entitled to provide telemedicine consultation to patients from any part of India. You are sitting in Karnataka, you are sitting in Andhra Pradesh, we are sitting in Calcutta. What we can prescribe any medicine to the any part of India. That is clear, referred in guidelines. Guiding principle. Patient has the right to discontinue the teleconsultation. That can be denied by patient that I will not opt for telemedicine if doctor's behavior or doctor's expertise or doctor's commanding tone is not very good. So he has the right to withdraw himself from telemedicine. Identification. Telemedicine consultation should not be anonymous. Both patient and doctor need to know each other's identity. Should not be any hide and seek game. Patient's identity you will know, and your identity patient will know. In ASU RMP should verify and confirm patient's ID, proof, registered ID, whatever, Aadhaar card, whatever it may be, but that has to be verified by the doctor. Every ASU RMP means doctor shall display name and registration number in all his communication with patient. This is to be noted. In all our communications, we have to communicate our full name and registration number. They have made mandatory. Mode of telemedicine. Text, image, audio, video, and digital data connected with devices. Can be there. Mix can be there. Any platform as per ASU RMP's requirement. If no platform is needed, you can go ahead directly with your mobiles, mobile, laptop, anything with camera and other facility. Platform will be chosen by ASU RMP. Various platforms are available. That is our discretion, doctor's discretion, that which platform we will choose. No social media have been prohibited. Means you can opt for Facebook also, you can opt for LinkedIn also, if you want to communicate with your patients. Am I clear to all?
Sir, yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Clear to all?
Yes, 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 sir.
This is clear.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
clear.
absolutely clear.
Can initiate consultation process. Patient also can initiate. Patient's caregiver can initiate. Doctor also can initiate to a doctor, and health worker to doctor. So many variations are there. Means there is no restriction to discuss patient's condition with patient's caregiver also. And there is no restriction to discuss patient's condition with other experts also for seeking his guidance. This is also a beneficial situation. First consult and follow-up consult. Patient will send, after consent, patient will send a text, audio, video. Then we will identify the patient, who is the patient, quickly assess whether emergency is involved or not. If yes, advise first aid. If any emergency is there, please advise first aid and communicate him to go to the nearer medical facility for his or treatment. Second, if no, then detailed assessment or investigation should be there. Detailed evaluation. In detailed evaluation, professional discretion is there. वैद्य की युक्ति सर्वोपरि है. युक्ति हमारी सर्वोपरि है.
जी
Physical examination in person by another ASU RMP. Suppose a doctor is available in the village, he want to talk with you or he has referred the patient, so we can take his help by ASU RMP or any health worker for checking BP, for checking blood sugar or any other disorder or similar symptoms. Ask for investigation and pause the teleconsultation. This is also important. If you are recommending some investigation to patient, then after recommendation to those investigation, to pause the teleconsultation. After those reports will come, then only you will decide and diagnose and then start the treatment. This is also a condition or suggestion here. Information is incomplete. Doctor shall recommend in person consultation
Definitely.
with complete information. So we have every right to ask doctor, ask patient for complete information from his side. Maintain all patient record. It is very necessary in telemedicine. It's not there that somebody phoned us and we prescribed some medicine on paper, and this is not telemedicine. Telemedicine will have record. Telemedicine will have prescription, doctor, or scanning of that prescription to patient through digital media. An explicit patient consent, health worker have given, doctor of that local area also can given that consent, or caregiver can give consent. All of them can give some consent. Patient can send email, text, audio, video message, anything. But we should take note of this point, that we should take consent of the patient that I am ready to take telemedicine consultation from you. This is very important. One patient has called me, is an emergency consultation. Just I told you before, emergency consultation needs your discretion, your judgment, whether to prescribe first aid or whether to prescribe, whether to recommend or refer to some hospital. This is absolutely up to you in the interest of patient. Emergency situation, advise first aid, advise counseling, and facilitate referral. This will be our model role in case of any emergency on telemedicine. Type of consultation, first consultation. First consultation means first time patient is consulting yourself. So, or before 6 months he consulted, but second time he is consulting for separate issue. So definitely it will be consulted. It will be considered as first consult. First consultation management of funds consultation, education, counseling, medication. In medication also, you have to take care of this point that we can't prescribe Vishadravya, narcotic and psychotropic substances. When the patient
क्यों
is
सर?
asking us for Mrat Sanjeevani Sura
ये सर,
or
ये
something.
मैं यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा रोकना चाहूंगा सर, मैं थोड़ा सा रोकना चाहूंगा। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर कुमार अवधेश दुबे है। ये आयुर्वेद में हम इस तरह की चीजें हम प्रयोग करते हैं सर। उपविष भी होते हैं, विष भी होते हैं, चाहे वत्सनाभ हो, चाहे धतूरा हो, चाहे और भी कई सारी चीजें हैं। और इसका प्रयोग होता है लक्ष्मी विलास रस से लेकर के और शंखवटी, महाशंखवटी में भी विष और उपयुक्त प्रयोग होता है सर। यहाँ पे आप इसको मना क्यों कर रहे हैं सर?
विषद्रव्य को मेरे हिसाब से जो मैं समझाऊं भाई, इनका इसका अर्थ कि ये वो कहीं भांग के मुनक्के न बिकना शुरू हो जाए इसमें। ये लक्ष्मी विलास में जहाँ
नहीं,
तक
ऐसा नहीं सर। अब तो हाँ,
के लिए कहीं ये
जैसे कुचले
आयुर्वेद का मिसयूज ना हो जाए।
Yes, yes, we have
नहीं,
to take.
मिसयूज की बात नहीं है सर। अब जैसे कुचले का प्रयोग करते हैं सर, कुचले का प्रयोग होता है। अब उसका तो प्रयोग होगा तो बिना शुद्ध किए तो होगा नहीं ना सर। तो उसका मिसयूज क्या कर लेंगे और उसके बगैर काम कैसे चलेगा सर?
तो इनने जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ, देखो मैं नहीं जानता दोस्त, लेकिन मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ, इनने भांग, गांजा, अफीम, ये तीन चीजों पे कंसंट्रेट करके नारकोटिक का जिक्र किया है। ये भांग, गांजा, अफीम की चीजें ही ना बिकने लगे।
अब जैसे अगस्त, मैं बता रहा हूँ, अगस्त सूतराज में और उधर कामिनी विद्रावण में उसका तो मिसयूज हो ही रहा है। उस पर तो ध्यान तो देना ही होगा सर, है ना? लेकिन जब वहाँ पे औषधीय प्रयोग की बात हो रही है तो वहाँ पे हम क्यों नहीं करेंगे सर?
करना तो चाहिए। तो इस विषय में कोई एक अपन मेमोरेंडम बनाए और CCIM को से क्लैरिफिकेशन हम मांग सकते हैं। आई कैन डू इट।
जी सर,
CCIM से हम क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगे।
मैं दिल्ली से डॉक्टर कुमार अवधेश दुबे बोल रहा हूँ और आपने भी कहा, मैं आपकी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहा था, तो इस पर बात करना उचित रहेगा सर।
100% आपने बहुत अच्छी बात पे ध्यान दिलाया है। अपने को निश्चित बात करना उचित रहेगा कि इसमें भी आप क्लासिफाई कर दीजिए कितना परसेंटेज होगा या क्या होगा, नहीं तो हम लोगों के तो हाथ बन जाएंगे। ठीक बोल रहे हो आप।
बिल्कुल, वही तो। बिना विष के आप आयुर्वेद में आप किसी भी औषधि को आप इग्नोर कैसे कर सकते हैं? और किसी भी चीज का यूज और मिसयूज तो पूरी दुनिया में होता ही है सर। लेकिन अब ऐसा ही देखें तो मृत संजीवनी सूरा को तो बंद कर ही दिया ना सर।
और नहीं, वो बंद करने के बाद भी वेस्ट बंगाल में फेंसिडिल की शीशियां पकड़ी जाती है।
हम आयुर्वेद की बात करेंगे ना सर, हम एलोपैथ की बात क्यों करेंगे? वहां पर तो नशा ही है केवल, और है क्या वहाँ?
हाँ,
है ना?
और ठीक है, ये पॉइंट मैंने नोट किया। इसका मैं एक लेटर बढ़िया सा बनाऊंगा, पहले आप लोगों में शेयर करूंगा। कोई पॉइंट आप लोगों के होंगे तो वो बना के फिर देंगे अपन। बिल्कुल ठीक है जी। Follow-up consultation means consulting again within 6 months of his previous in-person consultation. अच्छा है कि इनने गाइडलाइन निकाली तो सही, अभी तक तो गाइडलाइन ही नहीं थी अपने लिए। Excludes new symptoms that are not in spectrum of same health condition. मतलब एक पेशेंट यदि हम पे 6 महीने के अंदर दोबारा आता है तो फॉलोअप कंडीशन है, और यदि वो न्यू सिम्टम के लिए आता है तो फिर वो फर्स्ट कंसल्टेशन है। दोनों में हेयर लाइन डिफरेंस है। फॉलोअप कंसल्टेशन, हेल्थ एजुकेशन, काउंसलिंग, रिफिल, पेशेंट की दवा भी जा सकती है, न्यू कंप्लेंट भी क्रिएट हो सकती है, मेडिकेशन भी जा सकता है। रिफिल होगा तो मेडिकेशन डायरेक्ट दोबारा चला जाएगा, और यदि न्यू कंप्लेंट है तो वो दोबारा न्यू कंसल्टेशन उसका होगा। दैट विल बी कॉल्ड न्यू कंसल्टेशन। केयर गिवर टू डॉक्टर, caregiver of the patient. If patient is minor, if patient is incapacitated, formal authorization letter with the patient is available to the caregiver, verified by patient in previous in-person consultation and verified document. So we can talk to caregiver also. It is not mandatory that we have to talk with the patient only. Health worker initiated. Suppose some patient is admitted in some mini hospital, Ayurvedic PSC or something, and he wants to take consultation of a doctor through a nurse, allied health professional, mid-level health practitioner, ANM, anybody can discuss with us and he can take prescription from us for the patient under his or her control.
बिल्कुल
In person, we can talk, we can take help of each Ayurvedic expert, different Ayurvedic expert, our senior, our expertise on the subject. So we can initiate teleconsultation with a specialist also. That is not binding that we can't consult the patient's condition with our senior or with some senior doctor. So that is totally on our judgment that whether we want to discuss these conditions with other doctor or not. Prescription guidelines. KSURMP has been empowered to prescribe medicine online. It entails the same professional accountability जैसे हम face to face में करते same rule है. No other rule. But the prescription should be available with doctor, and that prescription should not prescribe like I told you earlier. Also, we have discussed this point, and we will try to have clarification from the Central Council. And that should not contain bisrabba, narcotic, psychotic, and which will be scanned and communicated to the patient. So copy of the prescription will be available to doctor also and patient also. Tailor-made formulation is very old tradition and it is permissible. It is permissible. Personal formulation means if you want to mix some combination and give to doctor patient, you can give as per your discretion, as per your judgment. It is mandatory to disclose all the ingredients of such formulation. It is very necessary. It is very necessary to disclose that what is given in this mixture. In right to prescribe medicine are by the state. So we are authorized to prepare medicine for our personal patients. That is right in Drug and Cosmetic Acts 1940. Variation in state acts are there. So every doctor has been clear cut about his or her state rules and laws. Caution for prescription. Prescribing medicine without an appropriate diagnosis or provisional diagnosis will amount to a professional misconduct. Simple. That means we have to take base of either discussion, darshan, sparshan, prashna. So darshan and prashna should be more highlighted along with the documentation. That means report, pathological report of the condition of the patients.
बिल्कुल सर
है ना. इश्यू ऑफ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ये अभी नई गाइडलाइन बनी है तो ये हम लोगों को सबके लिए एक क्लियर आज डिस्कशन हो जाएगा कि हम लोगों को क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना. एज पर द
वही तो जब तक नाड़ी परीक्षा नहीं की जब तक स्पर्शन नहीं होगा तब तक नाड़ी की परीक्षा कैसे कहेंगे. उसके बाद फिर चरक सुश्रुत का जो अष्टविध परीक्षा है नाड़ी मूत्रम मलम जिह्वा शब्द स्पर्श दीर्घाकृति कहाँ से कर पाएंगे.
ये नहीं हो पाएगा. टेलीमेडिसिन में ये पॉसिबल नहीं. टेलीमेडिसिन में दर्शन है और प्रश्न है, दो ही चीज है. दर्शन और प्रश्न.
ठीक बात.
स्पर्श वाली चीज हट गई. त्रिविध परीक्षा है. ये त्रिविध में से भी द्विविध परीक्षा है.
बिल्कुल द्विविध परीक्षा
बताइए आयुर्वेद में. तो स्कैन डिजिटल कॉपी ऑफ साइंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और ई प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. It should be available with patient also. It should be available with doctor also. Yes, you are transmitting the prescription directly to pharmacy. We must ensure explicit consent of the patient that yes, I am ready to purchase medicines from you or your vendor. This is also a new thing. We didn't know that. If we are sending medicine from our store or we are sending medicines through any side store, we should have to take verbal permission, recorded permission that I am ready to take purchase medicine from you or your stores. That is also a new thing. Medicine that can be prescribed via teleconsultation will be as notified in consultation with the central government from time to time. So that is not different. Misconduct. As per practitioner of Indian medicine rules 1982, if doctor is insisting on telemedicine, if doctor is misusing patient's image and data, if doctor who use telemedicine to prescribe prohibited medicine, again the same question arises. So narcotics and Visdravya prohibited medicine. Yes, a doctor are not permitted to solicit patient for telemedicine through any advertisement or inducements. To be noted, sir. For telemedicine, generally we can advertise personally here in CCIM Act, but at present everybody is doing this. So in my opinion, until and unless these rules are implemented very strictly, we should popularize this telemedicine concept to the society. Definitely we should popularize social media or thumbnails. Maintain digital trail documentation of consultation. It is very necessary. On WhatsApp, on Facebook, on video conferencing, anywhere you are conducting telemedicine, but log or record of that telemedicine interaction, phone logs, email record, chat, text record. Generally, we ignore it. We ignore it, but we should be careful to deal with these data, video interaction logs, etc. Patient record, report, documents, images, diagnostic data, digital or non-digital, utilized in the telemedicine consultation should be retained by doctor. This is duty of doctor. Yes, every report, scanned report, every log record, every email should be written by us. Doctor is required to maintain a copy of the prescription as medical records as required for in-person consultation. That means CCIM desires us, CCIM instructs us to keep a copy of prescription in our personal face-to-face practitioner also. That is legally also required, but we are not doing everywhere this practice. We are not keeping any copy of prescription. We are writing prescription and giving to hands of patient. But according to CCIM law, a copy of prescription should be retained with the doctor. We should scan or we should copy. Medical ethics. Medical ethics are same like face to face. Can we charge fees for teleconsultation? This is also a question. 100% you can charge any fees for teleconsultation. Am I clear?
Clear, sir.
You can charge any fees, appropriate fee for telemedicine consultation. But you have to take care of invoice. You have to give invoice to the patient for your record that I have taken 1,000 rupees, I have given 1,000 rupees invoice. So make a digital invoice on your mobile itself. You can fill the figures and you can communicate directly. Technology platforms. Roles and responsibilities. What technology platform we should use? Should we use or not? So,
Yes, we should.
जॉईन झालं मला आता मेसेज आला दिलीप दवे आहेत जॉईन
technology platforms enrolling only ASURMP, it is better to have such type of platform. Identification and contact details should be displayed. Grievance mechanism should be there. If some person complains, that should be addressed within shortest time. Artificial intelligence platforms are prohibited. Artificial intelligence platforms are prohibited. Means you can't use any automatic prescription system by which the symptoms can be listened and prescription will be out automatically. So we can't do that in our telemedicine.
किती जणांना
Hello.
हॅलो
Problem is there. Online platforms can be blacklisted and ASU RMPs can be prohibited from using them. So online platforms generally should be avoided. Platforms should be selected where only Ayurvedic, Siddha, Unani doctors are being registered. So I don't know they are indicating on Recto type platform or not, but some platforms are prohibited. Artificial intelligence. How to avoid medical legal issues.
काय बोलतोय ते काय बोलतोय?
Identify the person by government authorized ID, driving license, yeah, Aadhaar card, or anything else you feel important. Identify the emergency patient.
PPT
Do diagnose, provisional diagnosis before you prescribe. Please follow the prescribing list as per the guidelines State Council lodge. Please retain a copy of all the investigation and prescription you have offered, physical form. Physical form. Here especially he is told physical form. So on telemedicine, how can it is possible? I don't know. Why should we take print of those reports and certificates? We can retain them in a folder, in a computer or in mobile. Do not share patient's data with anyone. Legal issues will be similar to in-person consultation. Guideline review. Positive aspects. Number one, patient-friendly, simple but comprehensive. Number second, professional, clinical freedom have been given to Ayurvedic doctors. It cut across all available digital format. Fantabulous attempt have been made to reach the rural patient. If our patient circle is in village, that definitely it is fantabulous. One of the best guideline in the world in term user. Paradigm shift. It is going to change the way we practice medicine at present. Game changer in healthcare industry. Negative aspects. Negative aspect, the rule or guideline is silent about if the patient releases doctor's video, audio without his consent. Suppose a patient can release our video, but we can't release any patient's video. It is to be noted. So be careful by talk on at the time of discussion with patients. That patient also can record the discussion and patient can also circulate that video or audio without your consent. It is problematic for Ayurvedic doctor minded. Location of complaint. Patient residence or doctor's clinic. What will be the complaint location? It is also not indicated in the CCIM guidelines. Insurance for teleconsultation. Guidelines are keeping mum means silent on insurance of teleconsultation. Aggregators, storage, and owner of the data. Who will be the owner of the data? So, in the absence of the guideline, doctor will be owner of the data until and unless he is asked to submit for any legal case. Platforms, advertising doctors and rating of doctors. CCIM guideline is not indicating anything about this.
But this is very good point, sir.
Pardon?
I said very good point, sir.
Clinical Establishment Act versus telemedicine guidelines. Telemedicine guidelines and clinical establishment both are correlated, but slight hairline difference is there, but guidelines are silent on that. Challenges. What challenges we will face? Fear and unfamiliarity. Guideline has not indicated how we will take fees from patients. That is also not very clear. So any other means alternative arrangement except cash, we have to develop through Paytm or through other thing else. Financial unavailability. Financial unavailability with the patient will also create problem. Lack of basic amenities. Scanner, reporting, literacy rate and diversity in language. Various languages are there, so that will be a challenge, no doubt. Quality aspects. What medicines are being sent by doctor there is nobody to verify or check the quality. That is also there. Government support is not there till date. Perspective of medical practitioner is also important problem. Stable electricity supply and low bandwidth in rural area. So this is also, these are the challenges. In my opinion, this is a new horizon for Ayurveda doctors. We can start, we can go ahead, definitely, and we should not ignore or avoid this telemedicine concept for our development of our private practice. The presentation, please tell me now. Any comments, please?
नो थैंक यू सर, मेरी तरफ से कोई नहीं, चीजें आपने बहुत अच्छी बताई सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Have you received some new points?
Yes, lots of them.
Whether I should conduct one webinar on this telemedicine on Saturday?
Absolutely, sir.
Webinar on telemedicine. Saturday, are you agree? All of you are agree?
Yes, absolutely.
एग्री सर, हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, बहुत बढ़िया लगा। लगा कि आयुर्वेद में हमें भी कोई पूछता है।
हाँ, बोलिए प्लीज।
मैं बोल रहा था कि आज महसूस हुआ कि हाँ जी, हमें भी कोई पूछता है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, बहुत बढ़िया लगा सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
कम से कम रिकॉर्ड रखिए, बस मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, जो भी आपसे टेली कंसल्टेशन ले, 3-4 बातों का ध्यान रखिए। नंबर 1, उसका आधार कार्ड, कोई आइडेंटिटी आप मंगा लीजिए जिससे वो क्लियर हो जाए। नंबर 2 बात, जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो बड़ा सावधानी पूर्वक बोलिए कि वो कहीं अपना वीडियो डिस्क्लोज करके वो अपने को बदनाम न कर दे। नंबर 3, कोई एक ऐसी लिंक रेडी कर लीजिए जिससे आप पेमेंट मंगा सकें। पेमेंट मांगने के बाद में आपको कंसल्टेशन देना है या पेमेंट बाद में, ये आपका डिसीजन है, लेकिन ये पहले से सोच के चलिए कि हम लोगों को कोई बदनाम न कर दे।
बिल्कुल सही बात है सर।
किसी का कोई प्रश्न इस नई गाइडलाइन के लिए?
सर एक ये प्रेजेंटेशन प्लीज हमको लाइक फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए, वी कैन एक बार गो थ्रू हो जाएंगे वापस, बट इट्स ऑल गुड, अभी तक इट्स गुड, नथिंग टू आस्क।
आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है मैंने।
सर मैं इस मीटिंग में थोड़ा सा देर से कनेक्ट हुआ, मैं आपका शुभ नाम जान सकता हूं सर?
डॉक्टर पवन कुमार शर्मा, एसोसिएट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इमामी।
बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
शुभ नाम सर आप?
मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर कुमार अवधेश दुबे, मैं दिल्ली से सर।
अपनी मुलाकात तो नहीं हुई दुबे जी?
मुलाकात हो जाएगी सर, कभी आए सर?
जरूर आऊंगा आपके दर्शन करने। आपकी दिल्ली में तो बहुत हालत खराब है।
तो बंद हो रखे हैं कमरे में दिल्ली तो 1 महीने से। दिल्ली 19 तारीख से ही लॉकडाउन में है सर।
जी हाँ, मैं इंडिपेंडेंट।
जी
बोले सब।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बस केवल वीकली क्लिनिक बस मैं संडे को कर पा रहा हूँ, बाकी तो बस केवल होम विजिट्स वगैरह कई बार हो पाती है, तो इससे ज्यादा का संभावना नहीं है। सारी क्लिनिक्स बंद हैं सर, हर जगह। पेशेंट फोन पे कंसल्टेंसी ले रहे हैं। सबके साथ वही हालत है कि हमारे साथ नहीं, पूरी दुनिया का हाल है, हम कोई अकेले थोड़ी है कि नहीं?
देखिए हम लोग भी चेष्टा करते हैं कोई प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने की।
जी 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 जी, चलिए ठीक है सर। अब मैं इजाजत चाहूंगा थोड़ी सी सर। कई लोगों को मैंने रोक रखा है, सबको अफसर से रिप्लाई करना है, और आपका सेशन बहुत बढ़िया रहा जी। हाँ बोले सर।
निवेदन करना चाहता था, मैं प्रताप चौहान जी से समय ले रहा हूँ टेलीमेडिसिन के ऊपर। मैं फाउंडर हैं जीवा, तो उनके मालिक से अपन टेलीमेडिसिन पे गाइडेंस सुनेंगे। वो शनिवार का या सोमवार का समय देने पे राजी हुए हैं। आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं?
Yes, sir,
हाँ बिल्कुल
absolutely.
इंटरेस्टेड है सर, बिल्कुल। क्योंकि अब इस मामले में जो लोग अनुभवी हैं उन लोगों के अनुभवों का लाभ लेना भी उतना ही लाभकारी होगा सर, है ना।
मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ, मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ। अभी मैंने
वो लोग इस फील्ड में पुराने लोग हैं। हाँ
मैंने मोहन जी की वेबिनार का सोचा है। अगले वीक में मैंने नाड़ी गुरु संजय छाजड़ की वेबिनार का सोचा है।
बहुत बढ़िया सर।
उसके अगले
मुझे
वीक
जरूर
में
कनेक्ट कीजिएगा
आप
सर।
लोग,
मेरा नंबर आपके पास पहुंच गया होगा, उसको थोड़ा सा सेव कर लेंगे। और नाड़ी वाले पे मुझे जरूर याद करके मुझे 5 मिनट पहले मुझे सूचित कर दिया जाए, तो मैं शुरू से साथ में रहूंगा सर।
जरूर जरूर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मतलब इतना अच्छा
आपका
लग रहा है उत्साह देख के। किसी को कोई प्रश्न यदि करना हो इसमें तो मैं रेडी हूँ।
नहीं, ठीक बात है
जी मालिक जोरदार जी हैं, जोरदार जी।
No, बहुत अच्छा। And it is such an environment that we have to think some new ideas. We must have how to go comfortably to the patient and to heal the things, heal all patients. है ना लखानी जी? So we will take care of that, and we will have at least one weekly webinar. जी, we will be in touch.
It's very good initiative.
So we have.
Thank you all of
Sharma ji,
you.
that's all
Very nice
today.
meeting.
Thank you very much, all of you.
हरिओम,
All of you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Take care, everyone. Bye bye.
We are meeting in next webinar within 3 days. All the best.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care, all of you.